Today, let's discuss the political results of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution has a significant effects in politics. First, the Industrial Revolution by means of railway, steamboats, telegraph, newspaper, and fostered nationalisms for it helped people within a country to know one another better. Second, Industrial Revolution intensified internationalism. The new means of transportation and communication broke down the barriers of misunderstanding among the nations. People and ideas were carried along seas, mountains, and deserts. Different nations came to understand one another and realize the interdependence of countries and race. Lastly, the Industrial Revolution produced two politico-economic systems which still operate in the modern world, capitalism and communism. The British philosopher Adam Smith developed the pre-capitalist theory called laissez-faire. Under this system, government leaves business alone, allowing it to rise or fall according to the law of supply and demand. Smith, who wrote The Wealth of Nations, became known as the father of capitalism or free enterprise. The evils of the Industrial Revolution and a poor treatment of workers led a German philosopher living in London to develop a new politico-economic system called communism. Karl Marx was born in 1818 to 1883. After much research in the British Museum, wrote the Communist Manifesto with his friend Friedrich Engels. He also wrote Das Kapital. Marx advanced the ideal of a society where the means of production will be held in common and everyone's need will be met, although his ideal of communism was impractical and would have abolished all governments. His influence was great to those who wanted an alternative to capitalism and a strong state. Marx was as influential to the 20th century as Voltaire and Rousseau were to the 18th century. Inspired by his doctrine of communism, Vladimir Lenin, a Russian rebel, installed the first communist state in Russia in 1917. That's all the things that we want to discuss to the political results of the Industrial Revolution. If you like this video, please subscribe, no pressure. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.